what to revise for your last moment. So here we have some quick tips for you to consider for your last moment revision. Now, as we have seen the latest trends for the various examinations, the questions from contemporary section are asked very recent, so you can expect questions from the month of October and September. Now, considering that, we would include first of all some of the new topics that have been there. These include the labor bill that has been passed, the farm reforms that have come up. Also, you have important sections that relate to quantum computing. So we have already covered class on quantum mechanics and quantum computing. Then you have Venus discovery of phosphine as a sign of life. So again, a new discovery, again very important for you. Now here we have covered some of the important sections that are important. Now these talk about national security, social issues and environment. Now the topics that have been covered in the expected question classes are very important for your last moment revision, so don't miss those at all. Again, we have covered topics on science and technology. Coming on to the next, we have covered the topics which relate to the developments that have been seen across the various editions. Now in the expected questions, we have talked about biotechnology, health, bioterrorism, new monsoon calendar and so on. So if we go on to the previous analysis of the various magazines that we have done, so down to earth, if we focus on that, we have seen that there have been numerous editions about urea and the energy regarding the urea, which is important. So that becomes an important topic for you to remember. Similarly, if you want to go on to the next topic that is very important, is the urban heat island effect. We have over the years seen that there have been lots and lots of development related to environment and sustainable development goals. So sustainable development goal or millennium development goals is a predictable question. We have covered separate lectures for that also. Higher education has become a focus. So under higher education, in our class on Yojana, we'll discuss further. We have talked about various schemes. The important schemes for you to remember this time are NEET, Vishaka, Dhruv. So then you have RUSA as the Rashtriya Uchatar Shiksha Abhiyan, again important. So developments in higher education, then Swayam Prabha, Swayam, the DTH channels, online education. Similarly, you have e-commerce and changes with e-commerce. GST changes, e-way bill are some of the major topics that you need to cover. Besides this, some of the general topics that are usually asked are mainly from the given species, how certain species has got extinct or which of the species has been transferred into the vulnerable categories, and those have been discussed in the snapshots and tidbits in down to earth. So make sure that you are covering your down to earth very carefully. Okay, if we move down, we have Amazon rainforest and Kigali agreement amendment, sorry, as one of the major developments. So Amazon rainforest, Kigali amendment. Then you have very important topic, that was locust. So locust and the pesticides being used, so the pesticides that have been banned, and again pesticides bill which we have discussed very recently, are important. Neurotoxins, how do they affect? Livestock census recently conducted, very important, how the proportion of camels have been significantly changing. Similarly, case studies have been seen with yak and mithun, so those become very important. Seed bomb carbon neutrality, very important, I believe a probable question from these sections. New monsoon calendar, as we already discussed, is another important topic that you must do. If we move further, we have topics which talk about definitely COVID. So you would have questions which relate to topics which deal with matching viruses with the diseases or protozoans with the diseases, the history of pandemics, the geography of pandemics that we have talked about, climate emergency, waste management, mainly bio waste management. So waste management rules also become very important for this time's examination. Now coming on to Kurukshetra and Yojana summaries. So we have the series of summaries that we have covered here, of which ethics and integrity become important, very important, not only here but mainly for your mains as well. But here you would have significant number of questions from social security schemes. So social security, Kurukshetra July 2020 becomes important. So Kisan Mandan Yojana, Atal Pension Yojana are some of the important topics. Atmanirbhar Bharat, self-reliant India, a very important question or expected question this time, and the changes that have been brought about under Atmanirbhar Bharat. Technology 4.0, again very important. Similarly, skill building, Nidhi, Aswar, Kiran are some of the major schemes that you must know. Under nutrition, again, nutrition and environment, both of these are important. So Yojana January and the Kurukshetra January editions are very important for you to know. Similarly, we have questions which talk about blue polygon settlement. So we have talked about the slum settlements and how these blue shades talk about the blue polygon settlement. So again, a very important topic. Amazon rainforest we already covered, so that is important. Budget analysis and economic surveys are, as usual, a expected topic, but this time, since it's very late from the budget, you have your exams in the month of October, so that becomes a secondary topic. But yes, the recent bills that have been passed that we have covered, and important information from PRS India becomes very important for your examination point of view. And then if you are looking for specific topics of current affairs, we have the list of topics that are available here. So you can simply go on to Examrace current affairs and browse a specific topic that you are looking for. So if you browse through these topics, you would have an idea as to what of these you are weak in and what you need to cover at the last moment. So these were some of the most important tips. Wish you a very good luck, and definitely we'll see you back with the solutions. So have a wonderful day ahead.